Today we'll be reviewing how specifiers find and download your work section. What is CBI and how does it categorize building products? We'll take a look at the My Products product library and how it comes into play. We'll also look at an introduction into the work section support. But let's get started by showing you the basics of how a designer would specify your products. First, the specifier needs to create a project and a specification document within it. They can then choose to start with a blank specification, clone from an office master, or clone from the existing specification. Once they select Add, they will now be inside the specification platform. They'll now begin by building their specification by entering into the library that they're subscribed to. Each library is organized by a system of numbers called CBI. CBI stands for Coordinated Building Information, and it organizes similar products into categories. If you look at the categories, you'll see that it's in construction order, allowing the builder to follow the specification through the project construction. It also allows the construction industry to use this numbering as a reference for easily identifying product categories within drawings, specifications, quantities, and research information. Also trade information and publications. To give you an idea of what that looks like, the specifier will begin on tab 1, downloading contract information and shop drawings, proceeding to tab 2, which is preparing for demolition and the site groundworks, 3, laying the concrete and steel all the way to the interior design in tab 6, and finishing off with tab 8 to lay the pavement and finishing touches. Finding your section is made simple with the search functionality, where you can use keywords including CBI codes, company names, or product systems. Specifiers often search for familiar products or building systems using CBI to guide or browse for selections. This is also where they are likely to find similar product systems. This places your product system at their fingertips when they search for them directly or indirectly through the CBI codes. Now that they have found your section, they select the title and they'll run the work section Q&A. This asks them specific questions about their project and pre-edits the work section for their project conditions. When they complete the Q&A, it imports your work section with only the products and content required that they can customize further to suit their project. This leaves the specifier with a project-specific document. In other words, it removes the product alternatives that they won't need in a quick and efficient method, rather than deleting each one manually. Once they download your section, they'll begin to input project-specific information. They can also access valuable product information by reviewing the My Products listings on the right-hand side of the screen. My Products is a national database that allows specifiers to instantly evaluate and interrogate your products and their properties while they're actually specifying your product systems. Your product information can be represented quickly and simply with an image, a short description, and a link out into your website. This will give them more understanding of the advantages of your products. If they can't find what they need, or they need assistance specifying your products, they'll simply go to the Contact button on the top of their workspace. Selecting Work Section Support will send you an email notification from the designer asking you to jump into their specification and collaborate with them. For more information about this functionality, see our Work Section Support video series. Training is free and available for your team in-house, virtually, or in your office. Contact Masterspec for more information.